Unveiling the intricacies of iceberg orders and HFT manipulation in Bitcoin, discussed, with Meta_Quant's advanced market visualization. In the dynamic realm of cryptocurrency trading, the interplay between advanced trading strategies, such as iceberg orders, and the manipulation carried out by high-frequency trading, HFT, systems has become a subject of great intrigue. Today, we embark on an in-depth exploration of these complex phenomena, specifically focusing on Bitcoin, discussed, trading on the Binance exchange. With the aid of Meta_Quant, an exceptional tool for visualizing price microstructure in 3D and order flow surface in 4D, we unravel the intricate steps and shed light on the interwoven dance of iceberg orders and HFT manipulation. Understanding iceberg orders. Let us begin by diving into the world of iceberg orders. These stealthy orders allow traders to conceal their true trading intentions by only revealing a fraction of their larger order at any given time. The intent behind this strategy is to avoid market impact and maintain anonymity. However, beneath the surface lies a manipulative potential that can sway market dynamics and create artificial liquidity. Meta_Quant, unleashing advanced market visualization. Introducing Meta_Quant, a cutting-edge tool that takes market analysis to a whole new dimension. With its 3D visualization of price microstructure and 4D representation of order flow surface, Meta_Quant provides traders with unparalleled insights into the nuances of the market. This revolutionary tool equips traders with the power to decode the hidden patterns and understand the intricate interplay between iceberg orders and HFT manipulation. Iceberg orders unmasked. Through the lens of Meta_Quant, we dissect the behavior of iceberg orders in Bitcoin trading. We observe how these orders are strategically executed in smaller fragments, hiding the true size behind a seemingly innocent facade. This approach allows traders to take advantage of market conditions and exert influence without raising suspicion. However, with Meta_Quant's advanced visualization capabilities, we can expose these hidden maneuvers and shed light on their impact on market dynamics. HFT manipulation, unraveling the secrets. High-frequency trading, HFT, systems have revolutionized market dynamics with their lightning-fast trading algorithms. However, the dark side of HFT manipulation cannot be ignored. Using Meta_Quant's advanced tools, we dissect the intricate tactics employed by HFT systems to manipulate Bitcoin's price and exploit market inefficiencies. From spoofing to layering, we delve into the techniques that enable HFT manipulators to create artificial surges and disrupt the natural flow of the market. Meta_Quant's insightful analysis. Meta_Quant's capabilities extend beyond visualizing market microstructure and order flow surface. It provides detailed analysis and quantitative metrics that help traders identify patterns and anomalies in Bitcoin's price dynamics. By leveraging the power of this tool, traders can gain a deeper understanding of the interplay between iceberg orders and HFT manipulation, enabling them to make more informed trading decisions. Empowering traders, Meta_Quant's role in the battle against manipulation. In a market plagued by manipulation, tools like Meta_Quant provide a powerful weapon in the hands of traders. By unraveling the intricacies of iceberg orders and exposing HFT manipulation, Meta_Quant empowers traders to navigate the volatile landscape of Bitcoin trading with greater confidence and clarity. Armed with comprehensive insights, traders can detect manipulation attempts, adapt their strategies, and safeguard their interests. Conclusion. In this comprehensive exploration, we have traversed the depths of Bitcoin's trading dynamics, shedding light on the intricate dance between iceberg orders and HFT manipulation. With the aid of Meta_Quant's advanced market visualization capabilities, we have unraveled the hidden patterns, exposed manipulative tactics, and armed traders with the knowledge to combat market manipulation. As the crypto world continues to evolve, Meta_Quant remains a vital tool for understanding and navigating the complexities of Bitcoin trading, empowering traders to thrive in this ever-changing landscape. Unveiling the significance of bid size and ask size in order books, the indispensability of order book analysis in Bitcoin trading. In the fast-paced world of Bitcoin trading, understanding the dynamics of order books and the critical role they play is paramount. In this comprehensive overview, we delve into the significance of bid size and ask size, highlighting the indispensability of order book analysis. Furthermore, we explore why studying order flow is of utmost importance in anticipating price movements. Join us on this enlightening journey into the depths of Bitcoin trading. The fundamentals of order books. Order books serve as a real-time record of buy and sell orders in the market. They display the bids, buy orders, and asks, sell orders, along with their corresponding sizes and prices. Understanding bid size and ask size is crucial for gaining insights into the supply and demand dynamics of Bitcoin. Unraveling bid size. Bid size refers to the quantity of Bitcoin that buyers are willing to purchase at a specific price. Analyzing the bid size provides crucial information about the level of demand for Bitcoin at different price levels. A significant bid size indicates strong buying interest, suggesting potential price support. Decoding ask size. On the other hand, ask size represents the quantity of Bitcoin that sellers are offering to sell at a specific price. Examining the ask size helps us gauge the level of supply in the market. A substantial ask size suggests that sellers are eager to offload their Bitcoin, potentially exerting downward pressure on prices. The indispensability of order book analysis. Order book analysis is indispensable in Bitcoin trading for several reasons. Firstly, it provides transparency into the market's depth and liquidity. By studying bid size and ask size, traders can identify areas of significant support or resistance, helping them make informed trading decisions. Anticipating price movements through order flow analysis. Order flow analysis, which examines the sequence and timing of trade executions, is a powerful tool for anticipating price movements. By studying the order flow, traders can detect the imbalance between buying and selling pressure, enabling them to anticipate potential price reversals or continuations. The importance of order flow visualization. Visualizing order flow data is crucial for gaining deeper insights into market dynamics. Cutting-edge tools, such as order flow visualization platforms, provide traders with a graphical representation of trade executions, allowing them to spot patterns, detect hidden liquidity, and identify potential market manipulation. Leveraging order book analysis for trading strategies. By combining bid size, ask size, and order flow analysis, traders can develop robust trading strategies. They can identify optimal entry and exit points, set realistic profit targets and stop-loss levels, and effectively manage risk. Order book analysis equips traders with the necessary tools to navigate the volatile Bitcoin market successfully. In the complex world of Bitcoin trading, understanding bid size, ask size, and order flow is paramount. By analyzing order books, traders gain valuable insights into market dynamics, identify potential support and resistance levels, and anticipate price movements. With the aid of advanced order flow visualization tools, traders can further enhance their analysis and make well-informed trading decisions. Embrace the power of order book analysis and order flow to unlock the full potential of your Bitcoin trading strategies.